What questions should I ask before hiring an HVAC repair company? You should ask about licensing, insurance, experience, written estimates, warranties, and how they handle emergency service. Before you hire anyone, ask if they are licensed in your area and if they carry both insurance and workers' compensation, because that protects you if something goes wrong. Ask how long they have worked on your exact kind of system, since a technician who knows heat pumps may not be the best choice for an older furnace or a high-efficiency air conditioner. It also helps to ask for a written estimate that shows parts, labor, and any extra fees, so you are not surprised later. A good company should explain what is broken, what can be fixed now, and what may fail soon, in simple words. Ask whether they charge a trip fee just to look at the unit, because some companies apply that cost toward the repair, and others do not. You should also ask if they use original parts or approved replacements, since that can affect how long the repair lasts. One thing people do not always know is that a low price can hide a short warranty or rushed labor, so the cheapest offer is not always the best deal. A smart move is to ask for the name of the person doing the work and the expected time for the repair, then compare that with at least one other company. A common mistake is choosing the first company that says they can come today, because a fast visit is not the same as careful work. A better approach is to ask one quick follow-up question, like what will you check before replacing parts, so you can hear if they really understand the problem. Another mistake is skipping the warranty question, even though a repair without a clear warranty can cost you more later. Ask how long the repair is covered and what exactly is covered, because some warranties only cover one part, not the whole job. People also forget to ask whether the estimate is for repair or replacement, and that can lead to confusion if the system is very old. If that happens, ask them to explain the difference in plain language and give you both choices in writing. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, JobIt Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out and message you back and offer their estimates.